So 11th class, our today's lecture is nested loops. Okay, now what is the concept of nested loop? All of you please pay attention here. First you try to understand the concept, then you type on your PCs. Loop inside another loop. Loop inside another loop is called nested loop. Okay, like for example, I have one concept here for x in range 3 colon, I came inside online class, see the LCD, offline class, sorry. When I mark the colon, it starts the block. Now inside this for loop, I have another for loop. Okay. Here I say print hash. Now, as per the logic, outer loop works once, then we come inside, then we start working with the inner loop. Unless and until inner loop get fail, we will not go to the outer loop. शुरू हम आउटर लूप से करेंगे. आउटर लूप एक बार चलेगा, then we will come inside. जब तक इनर लूप कंप्लीटली फेल नहीं होता, we won't go to the outer loop. Right? So according to this, I am making working notes. The range is in the first for loop. Range function is given 3. When range function has value 3, it means it will cover 0, 1, 2. By default, it starts from 0. 3 will not be included. So range 3 means it will cover the step 0 iteration, first iteration, second iteration. 3 will not be included. It is always n minus 1. N minus 1. Now for the second range given 5, 7. Upper limit is not included. So we left with 5 and 6. Right? Now we start with the outer loop. For range 3, first value is 0. X is initially 0. Okay? 0 less than 3. अंदर आ जाइए. Now when x is 0, come inside and run the inner loop till it get fail. Y in range 5. First value of y is 5. 5 less than 7. 5 less than 7. अंदर आ गए. क्या प्रिंट हुआ? हैश. एक बार हैश प्रिंट हो गया. The special symbol hash has been taken, वो print हो गया. Again go to inner loop. 5 now increment to 6. Now y has become 6. What is the value of x here? X will remain 0. X की iteration अभी भी 0 ही रहेगी. Again one hash is printed. ये देखो end space. End मतलब space के साथ values को separate किया हुआ, right? Now when y becomes 7, for loop fails क्योंकि 7 तो हो नहीं सकता, upper limit is not included, so our inner loop fails. Okay, now we come here. From here we again go to outer loop. Now x has become 1. Again come inside the inner loop. What is y? 5. So when y is 5, print hash. Then y becomes 6. Again hash. Right? Clear? And when y becomes 7, the inner loop fails. Again go to outer loop. Now x becomes 2. Again twice symbol hash will get print. Clear? Am I clear to all? Now go up. Now x has become 3. Here outer loop goes fail. यहां outer loop ही बंद हो गया. When outer loop fails, the question stops. The control will come here where my cursor is blinking to the next statement immediately after the loop body. Am I clear to all? Yes. Any doubt, any queries? Online and offline class. Yes, please. Any questions, any queries? So let us run it. Nested loop. I insert this new line. This print is outside the body of inner loop. When inner loop will get fail, see, please see here. When inner loop will get fail, the control will come here. From here, then it will go up. Clear? Any questions? Offline class, you type the code. Yes, online class, any doubts, any queries? Yes, please. Done? Is it done, bete? Offline class? Hurry up, please finish it up. All right. I go with the next question. For I in range 4. For j in range 5, print I plus j x equal to I plus j print x okay. Solve this question, all of you. This is practice question. Now here we have the value of I 0, 1, 2, 3 and j is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. X equal to I plus j, print x. Print x. Yes. आउटर लूप एक बार चलेगा, इनर लूप पूरा चलेगा. So in the first instance, step 1, what is I? 0. What is j? 0. So what will be x? 0 plus 0, that is 1. Then I will remain 0. फर्स्ट स्टेप में I 0 ही रहेगा क्योंकि अभी इनर लूप फेल नहीं हुआ. J is 1. So it becomes 0 plus 1, that is 1. 0 plus 0 is, oh yes. Okay. 0 plus 1, 1. Then I is again 0. J is 2. Then 0 plus 2 equal to 2. Then I again 0. J is 3. Then it is 0 plus 3. That is 3. Then I is again 0. Then J is 4. Then 0 plus 4 equal to 4. जितनी देर तक इनर लूप फेल नहीं होता वो आउटर पे नहीं जाएगा. इसीलिए पहली स्टेज में आई हमेशा 0 रहेगा क्योंकि जे की वैल्यूज 5 है 0 से लेके 4 तक. नाउ आई विल गेट चेंज बिकॉज जे लूप इज फेल्ड. व्हेन जे विल बिकम 5, लूप विल फेल. नाउ फॉर द नेक्स्ट आइटरेशन, step 2, I will be 1. Now add 1 with values of j. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it will be 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Yes, online class, am I clear with the working? Yes, ऑनलाइन क्लास वर्किंग क्लियर है. ये आंसर कैसे बने? आउटर लूप एक बार चलेगा, then you have to come inside the loop body. Inner loop will continue to run till inner loop becomes fail. So inner loop की सारी वैल्यूज चलेंगी जब तक वो फेल नहीं हो जाता. Then it will go to outer loop. Got it? So let us check the output. Check it out. Check the answer. Yes, online class. Any doubt? Any questions you want to ask? Any doubt to online class? Please clarify your doubts. Last bench. Any doubt? Arsh, Samriddhi, Riddhi, Gurjot, Dhruv. बेटे आप जपन जो Yes, Yashika, Chirag. Any doubt? Any questions? Vriti, Kavya, Gursirat. All right. Now I am typing few questions in front of you. You are to tell me their output. For X in range 5. Print hello. Print 5. Okay, according to you, what will be the output of this question? Four times hello in same line or 5 times hello?
4 times hello.
4 times hello?
हाँ जी बस भाई तो आएगा ही आएगा किसको बाहर है 5 times hello आएगा.
Are you sure 4 times hello?
हाँ जी सर n-1 चलता रहेगा.
स्टार्टिंग कहां से होती है?
अच्छा
0 1 2 3 4 5 times hello then by 5 times hello then by. क्यों? by loop के बाहर है. by is outside the loop, so by has been printed only once. Hello is inside the loop and loop will run 5 times. So 5 times hello will get print. Right? Am I clear? All right. Now tell me the answer. Listen here. When you have 3 values in for loop, first value is the lower limit, second value is the upper limit, third value is the number of steps you are to move. By default we move 1 step. अगर हम कुछ भी नहीं लिख रहे, अगर मैं सिंपल ये लिखूं, suppose I write only this 1:5, by default it moves 1 step. Now I have written 2 means 2 step. So शुरू कहां से हो रहा है? 1 से. तो 1 से शुरू हुआ, अंदर आ गया, हेलो प्रिंट हुआ. 1 के बाद 2 स्टेप आगे 3 लेस देन 5, नीचे आ गया हेलो, 3 आगे 2 स्टेप और 5 हो गया, 5 लेस देन 5 फेल. So hello will print 2 times, then by. 2 times hello, then by. Am I clear? Online class? Is the concept clear to all of you? Online class? Very less responses coming from the students. What happened? बेटा ये देखो, फर्स्ट वैल्यू इज द लोअर लिमिट, स्टार्टिंग वैल्यू जहां से शुरू होना है. अब 1 दिया है तो 1 से शुरू होगा, 5 से 1 कम, यानी 1 2 3 4, क्योंकि अपर लिमिट इंक्लूड नहीं है. Number of steps you are to jump by 2. नेक्स्ट स्टेप के लिए 2 छोड़ के जाना, यानी एक ऑल्टरनेटिव दैट यू विल पिक अप एवरी ऑल्टरनेट एलिमेंट. क्लियर? एनी डाउट? यस, एनी डाउट? ऑल राइट. Ten comma 5 minus 2. Now tell me, 10 comma 5 minus 2.
3 बार हेलो और एक बार बाय.
Sorry, Dhruv, what are your views? 3 times hello then bye. Arshdeep? 2 times hello and 1 time bye. Yes, Devanshi?
Sir, 3 times hello and 1 time bye.
3 times hello and 1 time bye.
दिखा सकता है.
Clear? Okay, what are the, अगर मैं यहां पर x प्रिंट कराऊं तो x क्या प्रिंट होगा? अगर मैं x की वैल्यू प्रिंट कराऊं तो क्या प्रिंट करेगा वो? सपोज आई से प्रिंट x 10, 8 और 6. 10, 8 और 6. पहला हेलो 10, अगला हेलो 8, तीसरा हेलो 6. क्यों? स्टेप देखो ना, लोअर लिमिट 10, लूप उल्टा चल रहा है, माइनस स्टेप्स है, लूप इज इन डिक्रीमेंट वे. 10 के बाद क्या आएगा? 2. क्लियर? एम आई क्लियर टू ऑल? ऑल राइट, अब बताओ आंसर क्या आएगा? पांच क्यों आएगा? बार बार 5 मत बोल रहे हो, 5 क्यों आएगा? Number of steps have not been mentioned. Number of steps are not specified, so that is why no answer will come here except by. Except by.
अगर साथ में 2 लिखा होता तो भी
बाय तो आना ही आना है. अगर 2 लिखा होता, अगर लूप चल पड़ता तब भी बाय प्रिंट होना ही होना था, क्योंकि बाय लूप के बाहर है.
बट लूप तो चलेगा नहीं.
लूप ही चलेगा. This loop will not run. This particular loop will not run. Am I clear? Online class? Yes, online class. Am I clear to all of you? Any doubt, any queries? Yes. Any questions? All right. One program which was left in the last practical period of students who were sitting at home. So for you people, I am repeating one logic: palindrome number. Okay, palindrome number is a number when its reverse is done, the number remains same. Take a 4-digit number, do its reverse. The reverse should be equally like the original number. Then we say number is palindrome. एक नंबर लीजिए, उसका उल्टा कर दीजिए, उल्टा करके वो सेम नंबर रह जाए, तो then we called it is a prime number, like 4114, 2002, right? Am I clear to all? So such numbers are known as palindrome numbers. So for this, input the 4-digit number. Enter the 4-digit number. Right? I have to make it integer type. Now store the copy of a number in a temporary variable. अपने नंबर की एक टेम्पररी कॉपी बनाओ, and whatever calculations will take place, you will do it on the copied value, not on the original. N is the original number, T is the copy of original. तो जो भी कैलकुलेशंस करनी है वो टेम्पररी कॉपी पे करनी है, ना कि ओरिजिनल पे. While T not equal to 0, T not equal to 0, while T not equal to 0, जब तक नंबर 0 के बराबर नहीं होता, keep on running the loop, find out the remainder. Find out the remainder. You know why we have divided it by 10? Every time I want last digit to be the remainder. I want last digit to be the remainder. So that is why I have modulus the number by 10. Now whatever remainder will come, it will get stored in D variable. Now reverse into 10 plus your remainder. Okay. Right, 11th class. Now you are to discard the original number, last digit. इस वाली स्टेटमेंट में जो लास्ट डिजिट है वो रिमाइंडर आया, लेकिन थर्ड स्टेज में जाके रिमाइंडर को रिमूव करना है. लास्ट डिजिट टू बी रिमूव्ड. Now in this step, the last digit from the number will get eliminated. जैसे नंबर है 1 2 3 4, 4 डी में आ गया, डी 4 हो गया. जब अगले स्टेप के लिए टी जाएगा, टी विल बी 1 2 3 नॉट 4. किसको समझ में नहीं आया ऑनलाइन क्लास? One who is not clear about the concept, raise your hand. First of all, we have found the remainder of a number. Okay, remainder we will get when we will modulus our number by 10, because the modulus by 10 will always give last digit as remainder. For example, your number is 1 2 3 4. When you will modulus by 10, every time 4 will come remainder, then in the next step 3 will remainder, then next step 2, like this. हमेशा जो लास्ट डिजिट है वो रिमाइंडर आएगा, और हम जब नंबर को 10 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो लास्ट डिजिट डिस्कार्ड हो जाएगा. The last digit will get discard. Okay. Am I clear to all? Now here you print the reverse. Right? I think time is getting up.